I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by launching YouTube and playing your chosen video. You need picture-in-picture active. On mobile, tap Home or the Pi-P button. On desktop, install and enable a Pi-P extension or use the browser's built-in control. You do this because Pi-P detaches the video frame so you can move into other apps without stopping playback. Once Pi-P is showing, reposition its window to a corner that won't block important app elements so you can continue the task at hand. Once Pi-P is active, fine-tune how it behaves. Resize and drag the mini player so it stays visible but unobtrusive. You want both video and app content accessible. On tablets or Android phones, use split screen or multi-window to run YouTube side by side with another app. Make sure audio focus permits background playback. Change app settings or browser flags if sound cuts out. Because proper focus prevents interruptions when switching apps or receive. Finish by confirming controls. Tap play/pause from the Pi-P overlay and test gestures like double tap to seek. If the mini player disappears, check battery saver, data saver, or background activity permissions because those commonly stop playback. Make sure your OS and app are updated. If Pi-P still fails, close and reopen YouTube or disable and re-enable the extension. As a quick recovery, uninstalling and reinstalling the extension or clearing app cache often restores normal Pi-P behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.